Here we are with the living room. Here's the couch. Behind the windowsill, coffee table. The other windowsill, the coffee table, the table, TV, better image of the, oops. Let's go into the kitchen. There's the rug. The lights are not working in here. I do not know why. Start with the refrigerator. Clean. Clean as well. Here's the sink. Underneath the sink. Microwave. Filter. Stove. In the stove. Trash can, empty. Go to the bathroom. Clean mirror. Clean there. Clean toilet. No trash. Extra toilet paper. Clean bathtub and shower. Get you a better image of that. Into the second bedroom. I skipped the first. Clean rug. Nice made bed. Desk over here. Window seal. Empty trash. Folded towels. Extra bedding. Odor absorber, Kleenexes. Underneath the bed. Let's go to the first bedroom that I skipped. Clean trash. Here's this bedroom. Empty trash. Odor absorber, Kleenexes. Inventory. Underneath the bed. Window seal. Let's take you downstairs. Empty washer. Empty dryer. Clean. Going back up the stairs. I think that's it.